Today, we unlock the secrets of your health as we dive into the often overlooked symptoms of zinc deficiency. From immune struggles to skin woes, discover the 10 signs you might be missing. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more vital health insights. 1. Hair loss and thinning. Hair loss and thinning, our first signal of zinc deficiency, extends beyond a simple cosmetic worry. Zinc operates as a superhero for our hair follicles, safeguarding their health and robustness. When zinc is insufficient, our hair undergoes increased shedding, and the once lush locks may appear noticeably thinner. It's akin to the body's urgent message that a vital element is lacking. If you've been consistently discovering more strands on your hairbrush, it's a red flag to consider the prospect of zinc deficiency. Imagine it as a call for help from your hair, indicating that it needs the superhero mineral, zinc, to restore its vitality. So, the next time you scrutinize your reflection and fret about your hair, keep in mind, zinc might be the missing piece you should reintroduce into your body, working like a key player to revive that vibrant and healthy mane. Prioritize your hair health by considering the superhero role of zinc in this intricate process. 2. Impaired wound healing. Zinc, a fundamental element for cell division and tissue repair, plays a pivotal role in ensuring our body's natural healing processes operate seamlessly. When faced with a zinc deficiency, the intricate dance of cell division and tissue repair slows down, and the consequences become apparent through delayed wound healing. It's as if your body's innate repair mechanism has hit a temporary pause button. Wounds that would typically heal efficiently now linger, and the recovery process becomes extended. Imagine zinc as the conductor orchestrating the symphony of cell renewal and tissue reconstruction. Its absence disrupts the harmonious flow of this biological melody. This delay in wound healing is a tangible indicator that your body requires sufficient zinc to resume its natural restorative rhythm. 3. Changes in taste and smell. Have you recently noticed a shift in your taste or smell? Surprisingly, this could be linked to zinc deficiency, a condition that subtly but significantly influences our sensory perceptions. Zinc is a key player in maintaining the delicate balance of our senses, particularly taste and smell. When our bodies lack sufficient zinc, it disrupts the intricate mechanisms responsible for these senses, leading to an altered, often diminished, ability to taste and smell. Picture zinc as the conductor of a sensory orchestra, ensuring each note is played with precision. In its absence, the harmony falters, and the symphony of taste and smell becomes distorted. Individuals experiencing a sudden change in these senses may find flavors muted or scents less discernible, indicating a potential zinc deficiency. 4. Acne and skin issues. Now let's delve into the realm of your skin health. Zinc, renowned for its remarkable anti-inflammatory properties, serves as a crucial defender against skin issues. A deficiency in this essential mineral can tip the balance, potentially contributing to the development of acne and other persistent skin problems. Think of zinc as a calming force for your skin, helping to soothe inflammation and promote a healthy complexion. When there's a shortage of zinc, this protective shield weakens, making your skin more susceptible to inflammatory conditions. Acne, in particular, can be exacerbated, and other skin problems may arise as a consequence of insufficient zinc levels. If you find yourself grappling with persistent skin issues that seem resistant to conventional treatments, consider the possibility of a hidden culprit: zinc deficiency. It's not just about external skincare, it's about addressing the internal factors that influence skin health. By acknowledging the vital role of zinc in maintaining skin integrity and combating inflammation, you can take proactive steps to ensure your skin thrives with the support it needs. 5. Frequent infections. Zinc, a crucial element in the orchestra of our immune system, plays a pivotal role in supporting a robust defense against infections and illnesses. If you've noticed a surge in the frequency of falling sick, it could be a subtle but significant indicator of inadequate zinc levels. Picture your immune system as a fortified castle, with zinc as one of its essential defenders. When there's a deficiency, it's akin to leaving a vulnerable section of the castle walls unguarded. Adequate zinc levels are instrumental in maintaining the function of immune cells, ensuring they can effectively identify and combat invading pathogens. A deficiency compromises this defense mechanism, making the body more susceptible to infections. It's like disarming your immune system, rendering it less capable of mounting a swift and effective response. If you find yourself catching colds or falling ill more frequently than usual, considering your zinc levels becomes imperative. 6. Digestive issues. Zinc, often overlooked in its role, is a crucial guardian for the integrity of our gastrointestinal lining. Imagine it as the protector of the fortress walls, ensuring they remain strong and resilient. When zinc levels are insufficient, these protective barriers may weaken, leading to a range of digestive issues. If you're grappling with symptoms like diarrhea or poor absorption of nutrients, it's like the distress signal from your digestive system, indicating that zinc might be in short supply. In the intricate dance of digestion, zinc is a choreographer, orchestrating the absorption of nutrients and maintaining the structural integrity of the gastrointestinal lining. 7. Mood swings and depression. Zinc deficiency extends its influence beyond physical symptoms, reaching into the realm of mental well-being. Think of zinc as a mood stabilizer, and when it's in short supply, the delicate balance of neurotransmitters in the brain may be disrupted. If you've been grappling with increased irritability or experiencing episodes of depression, it's like a silent alarm prompting you to explore the potential impact of zinc deficiency on your mental health. In the intricate web of brain function, zinc plays a role in regulating neurotransmitters, which are essential for maintaining a stable mood. When zinc levels are inadequate, this regulation may falter, leading to mood disturbances. 8. Poor night vision. Did you know that zinc plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of your eyes? Think of it as a guardian for your vision. If you've observed a decline in your night vision or find yourself more sensitive to light, it could be a subtle but significant indication that your body's zinc levels might be in question. In the intricate landscape of eye health, zinc contributes to various functions, including the activation of enzymes and the maintenance of the retina. Night vision, which relies on the sensitivity of the eyes to low light conditions, is particularly influenced by zinc. When zinc levels are inadequate, the eyes may struggle to adjust to darkness, leading to a noticeable decline in night vision. 9. Irregular menstrual cycle. Ladies, pay attention. Zinc is involved in the regulation of hormones, and a deficiency can lead to irregular menstrual cycles. If you've been experiencing disruptions in your monthly cycle, zinc might be a piece of the puzzle. 10. Difficulty concentrating and memory issues. Lastly, let's talk about cognitive function. Zinc plays a role in neurotransmitter activity, and a deficiency may contribute to difficulty concentrating and memory issues. It's not just about the body, it affects the mind as well. As we wrap up our exploration of zinc deficiency symptoms, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative. Subscribe for more health tips, and remember to ring the notification bell to stay updated. Take care of yourself, and until next time, stay healthy.